Okay guys, finally. Yes, after 3 years. It's been 3 years. Mind you, we waited a year for the engine, which was all fine. They had to make parts for it, and it purrs like a kitten. Wait to hear this. And we waited 6 months on other parts and pieces. So you take a year and a half off of that. We only really had it for a year and a half. It's been sitting around here. This 36 Ford is what I'm talking about. It's been sitting around here for the last month, finished. But every time we go to move it, the weather goes for shit. So the reason we can't move it is a convertible. It's got no upholstery in it, and it's going to the upholstery shop from here. So we are done with it. We are finished, and we will get some pictures in the, I guess, in the new year of it when the upholstery's done. But here it is. It's running. It's going, and take a listen. There she is. Now, if you go back, you remember we did everything on this. We had to rebuild the fenders. We had to do complete floors. We had to do firewall work. We had to do tons of work to this car. Now, we put it back as if it was a 36 Ford. The colors aren't correct, of course. The owner picked the colors. But, I mean, we just left the lines and gaps the best that Ford would have got them in 1936. And what I mean by that is, obviously in the 30s, 40s, 50s, whatever, these cars, all cars were not 100% perfect. So lines and gaps are always a little bit different on each side. People nowadays, what they do to fix all that is they start welding metal in to make the lines and gaps absolutely perfect and matching all the way around. But we didn't do that. We left them the way they were and just adjusted them the best that you could possibly adjust them for what it is. Now, the gentleman that owns this car, he actually drives all his cars. He's got quite the car collection. Cars that you've never seen before, ranging anywhere from $50,000 to $1 million. Yes. Obviously, this is not $1 million car, but this is a very beautiful car. And this car here for him, he's just going to use this as his cruiser around town. So there was no wet sanding and polishing. This is just a straight out paint job out of the booth. Like I say, all new metal work, body work. Tires were on it when it came in. We left them. He said that they were fine. Engine was completely rebuilt. It's the original engine in it. Transmission was gone through. Differential gone through. Everything. This car is still obviously 6 volts. It's still mechanical brakes. Like I say, the upholstery is to be getting done. Yes, there's a rumble seat in the back for those that are asking. Some of the chrome and bright work is original, just been polished. Some of it has been redone. It'll be nice to see the old girl gone. Just for the fact that it's been here a long time. It needs to move forward and get the upholstery done so it can be on the street like it should be. It's not good for these old cars to sit around like this. Even if it's new, it's not good. Seals and everything harden up and dry up. You got to keep this stuff running. You got to keep it moving, people. But listen to that. Isn't that beautiful? Somebody had asked about the spare tire, how it come off. It just comes off right in there, as you can see. Just flip it forward. So that's it, people. There you go. 36 Ford is on its way. So thanks for staying tuned. Remember, it's always a good time and old time. We've got lots of new fall, winter projects on the go. I was getting a little worried there that we were going to slow down for the winter, but we didn't. We picked right up. I can't believe how many jobs have come in. I think we've got like 8 or 9 jobs on the go, and here we are, the 1st of November. So we're doing good. So hey, remember, it's always a good time and old time. Get on that shop, build something, do something good. Hopefully all you guys had a good Halloween. That's it. Go eat your kids' candy, because that's what I'd do. See you later.